you guys, so I wanted to do an unboxing of my new ring light. It is a 18-inch ring light with a 6-foot tall stand. So I just kind of wanted to go over the settings and kind of show, you know, how it works and to show you guys how easy it is to set up. So this thing here is the stand, and this is like super easy. All you do is pull these legs apart, and flip them around, right? And then we're going to go ahead and just adjust this and tighten this down. And then it has two different ones that we can adjust and give it a little bit of length. So we're going to loosen this one. Is that loose or is that tight? Yep, there we go. And we're going to extend that one, and then we're going to tighten that up. And then we're going to do this other one as well. But we don't need to do it that much because I'm really, really short. So, let's see. There we go. I think right about there is good. So this ring light is 18 inches and it is massive. Okay, here it is. And it affixes to the stand right here, and then all you do is tighten this little knob, and I think this is like probably too tall now. So we're going to loosen this one and we're just going to shrink this down. Then we are going to go ahead, let's just go over these settings really quick. So this is the dimming and brightening switch. Obviously the plus is to brighten and the minus is to dim. This one in the middle is like a quick setting. So you can hit this one and go to each different light setting. Or if you want somewhere in between the light settings, you can use this to go warmer or cooler, whatever your preference is. So now we're going to go ahead and grab this cord, and we're going to go ahead and plug this in and turn it on, and there it is. Wow, look at that. So I already affixed these two phone stands on here because I will primarily be using it with my phone, but it did come with a camera stand like this, and this just screws right in there. And it comes with a swivel phone. Oh, I just hit that setting and you see it changed. So we got cool, we got soft, we got warm. And there's warm again. So this one, I really love this swivel stand. First of all, the back, you can just unscrew this, and this will allow this piece to swivel however you want it to. And then you just tighten that right back up. But my favorite part is this little one on the side. This brings it out or pushes it in. And I really like that because you can get a nice and secure hold on your phone so you don't have to worry about your phone dropping. So this then just screws right in here to this mount. And it is ready to go. Super, super simple and easy. Now this also came with another style of phone holder, which is more pliable, and you can kind of use, you know, your phone in whatever direction you want because this bends. So this base bends, you can kind of get whatever angle you want out of this one. Now this does have that kind of stretchy holder to it. Bye!